I'm reviewing these Crave phone cases, and thank you so much to the seller for sending these to me. So I'm going to give you a quick look at some of the great features. These are for the iPhone 17, so let's take a closer look. Here is what the 17 Pro looks like, the iPhone 17 Air, and the iPhone 17. This one is in the forest green color, and they do have different color options, but this is perfect if you're looking for a slim phone case that is still very protected. On the inside here, it does have the shock absorption material. The one thing that's great that makes this the dual guard is that it does have the soft inner layer, so you can take that layer out, and then it does also have the compatibility for charging, and then you do have the hard outer layer. So here's what it looks like up close. It has a really nice soft design to it while still being that hard outer shell. So then all you'll do is you'll snap it into place, and then you'll be all set to start using it. You do also have a lip for the camera and then a lip for the screen too. You are looking for the ultra slim phone case while still having that dual guard protection and being able to charge your phone any way that you want to. So I would definitely recommend checking out this Crave brand, and I hope that you enjoy just as much as I do.